In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell in Etsy digital products. We'll walk through creating a polished digital product listing from start to finish, so your customers get an instant download and you get a smooth selling experience. First, open Etsy in your browser and head to your shop manager. This is your control center for everything in your store. From the left menu, go to Listings. Here's where you manage existing items and add new ones. Click Add a listing to start a fresh product. Begin by typing what you're selling and choosing the most accurate category. Picking the right category helps Etsy show your item to the right buyers and unlocks relevant attributes. When you're ready, click Continue. Select Digital Files as the item type. This tells Etsy there's no shipping involved and enables instant downloads for your buyers. Before you move on, update the other fields you see on the page, like who made the item and other attributes relevant to your category. Consistent, accurate details build buyer trust and can improve search visibility. Click Continue again when everything looks right. Now add a clear, descriptive title. Think like your customer. Include what the file is, who it's for, and key specifics a buyer might search for. Keep it readable, not stuffed with keywords. Upload photos and, if you have one, a short video. For digital products, mock-ups are essential. Show the design in use, include close-ups, and preview variations so buyers understand exactly what they're getting. Clean, well-lit images can dramatically improve conversion. Next, upload the actual digital file your customer will receive. You can package multiple items in a single compressed folder if needed. Make sure the file opens correctly and is within Etsy's size limits. Use clear file names so buyers can identify them at a glance. Write a thorough description. Explain what the product is, what's included, file formats, dimensions, and how to use it. Clarify whether it's for personal use or if commercial use is allowed, and note that it's an instant digital download with no physical item shipped. The more you answer up front, the fewer questions and refunds you'll face later. Set your price and inventory. With digital items, inventory won't run out, but you can still set quantity and renewal preferences. Price based on value, uniqueness, and competitor benchmarks. Update your tags and attributes. Use relevant keywords your ideal customer would type into search, and complete all available attributes to boost discoverability. Finally, review your settings options. Make any last tweaks and either publish your listing or save it as a draft to refine later. That's it. Your digital product is ready for Etsy's marketplace.